Thermal cutter to clean laminated glass edges, overflowed remains of EVA, PVB, STP, etc. We have two types of thermal cutter. The thermal cutter CNC02 for continuously working air cooling system built in. And this is the thermal cutter CNC01 for intermittently working. Classical type, massive saw type, economy, affordable for everyone, best choice for trials. And here are some reviews we received from our clients, or others are saying about us. Reviews from our clients. Good morning, Peter. Sorry about delay in getting this info to you. The thermal cutter are working very well. We are very happy with them. I am sure we will be ordering more from you over the coming year. So thank you for all your help on this matter. Regards, be in touch soon. Reviews from clients. Peter, the thermal cutter were received. In the afternoon, I have already reused them and they work great, much better than the method I was using before. Dear Olivia, my people are very happy with the cutting tool. Peter, yes, we received the cutters. We have already been using them and they work very nicely. Thank you for your help. Dear Olivia, we have good results with the EVA thermal cutter. My colleague will contact you to place new order. Peter, the cutter works good on small pieces of SGP laminated glass. Peter, the cutter works good on small pieces of SGP laminated glass. Hi Peter, the cutter works great. I want to order another one. Same order. I will send fines PayPal. Thanks. And the applications of the thermal cutter when making laminated glass with EVA interlayer film or PVB interlayer, SGP interlayer, there may be some overflowed EVA interlayer remains or PVB remains or SGP remains on the edges of laminated glass. After heating in the oven, the thermal cutter is a handheld tool to clean the laminated glass edges, overflowed remains easily and effectively. How it works? The blade of the thermal cutter can be up to 500 degrees in seconds. The thermal cutter is trimming the overflowed interlayer remains not by strength or sharp, but by ultra high temperature heat, 500 degrees. So no matter whether the interlayer film is EVA interlayer film, PVB interlayer film, or SGP interlayer film, the thermal cutter can do good job in cleaning in all situations. If you want to order, please simply send us an email, and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cnc@cncglass.com. Backup mail address is cnc@cnceva.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp, WeChat app, or mobile phone number. Our website is www.cncglass.com. www.cnceva.com. Thanks very much for watching.